Hey, I've got Todd here from Allbrand Caravan Services in Sandgate in Connaught Street. G'day Todd, how are you, mate?
Good, thank you very much. How are you been, mate?
Good, mate.
Travelling, I see.
Well, I have.
Yes,
We've known you guys for a while. We've come over here with a couple of vans that we've had, and you've helped us out with doing different things. But I just want to let the people out there know what sort of things or what services you guys offer to caravanners.
Well, we're probably lucky in the background of my career of we started an auto electrical and mechanical company, so we've got our mechanics here, auto electricians here as well, and then varied out into the caravans around about 15, 16 years ago, which has given us every opportunity to go with all your four-wheel drive caravans like yourself. Also warranty for a lot of the manufacturers out there as well, so we do a lot of that for some of the makes and models, as well as some of the things that get fitted to your caravans. Also got opportunity, fiberglass, painter on site, metal fabricator. So pretty well you're on stop scenario. If you're driving past here and we can't fix it for you, you've got some problems.
All right, now just a couple of things that we've had done in the past. You fitted our Y-tie system.
Yes.
So obviously you can do that for all vans.
Look after that sort of stuff nowadays, and everything's starting to change out there these days.
And for the people out there that don't know what Y-tie is, it's an anti-theft system.
Yep. And
there's a couple of degrees that you can have with that. There's one where it's just the alarm and the stuff for the van, or there's a GPS tracker so that you can constantly track where your van is when people want it more than what you do.
Yep.
The other thing that you did for us, you fitted the out-there internet into our van, and I believe you can do Starlink fitments and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah, we do, mate. There's all different options. I know that's probably a couple of years back now, and you've done a fair bit of travelling. If everyone gets on there and follows you, they know that you've been and seen and what's going on. So, but guys, there's so many different opportunities that are out there now for different sorts of opportunities within that. So, let us know or get onto your guys. I know you are keeping up with the new stuff.
All right. The other thing too is how much sort of like, you're fairly busy.
Yes.
But how much sort of, if a person was to ring up and say, hey, I need me van serviced or I have a warranty job.
Yes.
What sort of a lead, like how long do they need to basically give you?
So I'll give you an idea. So if you're in insurance, we're probably looking about 3 months out. Service work, we're probably around about 2 months without work. And some of the warranties depend on what it is, because we have different technicians for different makes and models of what we do within our business. We try and keep that so we can keep it to under that sort of 2 month mark. I know it sounds terrible to say that to our clients, but also I don't want to be in a position where I'm giving them the wrong techs for the wrong jobs.
Yeah, well, I know we had a problem with our Thetford fridge, and I believe you're a service agent for Thetford.
Yes, we are.
Because I actually recommended to come to you guys. I said, well, we're already going to them. We do our servicing with those guys anyway. So you did say all brand sort of things. So what, Dometic?
Dometic, everything, that sort of things. We also, a lot of your sort of fridges in the back of your vehicles as well. Some of your mobile fridges, Ingalls, Dometics, all that sort of stuff. Coleman, all these, so we do all service agent for there. So we got fridge techs on site here as well. AC as well, techs with that as well. Okay,
you're talking auto electrician, all right? Now, say for instance, I'm going to buy a van or something like that, and say it was a 12 pin and I only had a 7 pin in my car. Could I bring my car here and you guys change that over for me or not?
Got all that. It's a few questions people need to be asked when they do that. We get the whole connection where people go, hey, just got to go to a 12 pin, but we've got to have those conversations with you guys out there. Make sure you're asking about why, ask your manufacturers why, and ask what's needed in it. Because it's something that some people go and get a 12 pin on, turn up to pick up their caravan, fridge circuits don't work, ESCs don't work. So all sorts of things that you need to think about, guys, when you are out there and you are looking at new caravans. Check those sort of things out with your manufacturers.
And generally when you order a caravan, the salesperson, if they're worth their salt, will actually give you a diagram of the wiring system. Okay, I know that's happened to me in the past with JB, and I know with Titanium, they offer you a little schematic, so therefore your auto electrician knows which pin or what's going here, there and everywhere.
Definitely.
Anything else you go, okay, do you do motorhomes or do you just do caravans?
No, we do all RVs. So a big part of our side of things with the fiberglass for us and painting has a lot to do with motorhomes, but we also service them here. We do mechanical servicing here as well with the motorhomes. So we've got sort of 8-ton hoists here. We can get them up and do things. So as you know, with your big truck these days, it's not that easy to just roll up. So we've got to make sure we're allowing for the complete marketplace and the four-wheel drives and motorhomes. Other things we do, mate, look, this day and age, we're at that verge now, big lithium setups and stuff like that, motorhomes and things, so we can do it from a small sector to we're off-grid for months, so stuff we do here. So it's pretty good. I think we've got about sort of 25 techs on site, so, and then the back end, which I know you guys get to deal with more than I do and that sort of things. We've got some people that look after your questions. Try to make sure we get back to you ASAP is the biggest thing for me. Okay, so no job too small, no job too big. No.
And you're also, as you're saying before, an authorised repairer for a lot of the, what do you call, insurance companies and that, they'll send people your way.
Yeah.
And
Yes.
even some of the smaller places, like the gentleman I was talking to before,
Yes.
he went to Yatla and then
Yes.
they referred him on to here. So
Yeah.
obviously some of the smaller places out there will refer him to you
Yeah,
guys.
some of the jobs are not in that vocabulary what they need, and some of the things you need to do it, because we've got the metal fabrication, also the fiberglass and stuff like that needs to get some of these jobs done. We're lucky enough that some of the insurance companies are pushing our way, and the techs are trying to do their 100% they can do to make sure our clients are happy, I suppose, which is brilliant for me.
The last one, Todd, where can people find you? Do you have a website? Do you have Facebook? Do you have, what do you have, mate?
So yeah, we've got our marketing manager standing behind us here, but he's the gentleman to talk a little bit. But www.allbrandcs.com.au 07386929969. That's our phone numbers and that sort of things. And our socials, we've got YouTubes and stuff like that. Socials with the Instas and all TikToks and all this sort of stuff these days. If you see my ugly mug on there, guys, I'm sorry, all right? This voice is as it is. It's always like this. So, but guys, one thing you need to do, get behind Just Brilliant Adventures, guys. They have some good content out there, so please, I know they've got some new cool things, so make sure some of their new episodes coming up are going to be pretty epic at what they're doing and some stuff, so make sure to follow them, like them, and if we can help you out, thank you very much for what you do for us.
And Ros will put the email address down the bottom here.
Yep.
And thanks for your time, Todd. It's been
Always a pleasure. Thanks very much. No
Mate,
dramas.
the pleasure's all yours.
Thanks, guys.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that short little video. But yeah, the McCarthy Industries in Sandgate, brilliant people to work with, and anything you need at all for your caravan, give them a call. Nothing too big and nothing too small, as they said. Anyway, it's that time again, joke time with Dave. But actually, this one's not a joke. Hey, Ros.
Yes, Dave.
I was reading our insurance policy, and I discovered that if our blanket gets stolen in the middle of the night, we're not covered. Catches.